Yo, what up everyone? Purpose of this live stream is pretty crazy, just this thing I'm going to talk about. Okay, yesterday and 21st December, we got hacked. I got hacked, pretty crazy. I just hacked and everything happened in a second, and dropped the token. What kind of token you're talking about? From Pump Fun, one message fucked everything. The shit. One tweet from 5k US dollars to 3 million US dollars, 3 million US dollars, and then a bit later 4 million US dollars. Can you this? It's a screenshot, not real chart. In 1 hour, market cap 3 million. Shit, I just tweeted on Twitter. Yeah, we just dropped the token because I thought we dropped the token, because I thought we dropped the token, and then I posted on Twitter, we dropped the token, go the fuck the market, and then around 1 hour, 3 million US dollars market cap. Boom, fuck. They say, no bro, we don't drop any token. It's a fake, it's a scammers. Oh my gosh. Full of activity, just my community just fucked up even, like there was a bunch of shit. Crazy. Bro, we don't drop anything, shit. We have not created any coin and we're not associated with any crypto coin out there. Please don't buy or sell anything. To be honest, my identity is stolen. Can you see this? It's also a screenshot. They even created fake identity. They got my profile picture, they got my name. Don't buy anything, don't sell anything. Messenger, please spam it, just block the user, make a spam. He's not real. He's a scammer, shit. Fuck. If you go to PumpFan and search for open community, now there are a bunch of fake tokens. If you see this, as you can see from here, the description, just copy paste the description. Fuck. If you remember this is a picture from the AI flashcards. Definitely. Exactly, and there's a picture next gen. It's also from tutorial. The scammers, the shitty scammers, the fucking scammers. Don't buy anything, don't sell anything. Our mission and vision. We build open source AI powered projects and the tools for people. Everything is open source. We also write comprehensive and step-by-step tutorials on those projects and share across socials like LinkedIn, Medium, DevCom, Discord, GitHub tutorials. Yeah, so anyone, whether you are a beginner or professional developer, you can learn by making the real stuff with AI, integrating different tools. We just write tutorials. We make open source projects. We don't sell anything, don't buy anything, don't do that shit. Yesterday was pretty crazy. Our Discord community just fucked up. What else I want to talk about? Please give spam this, bro. This fucking shit using my identity. It's not a New Year joke. Don't trust anyone. They're even making a joke out of this shit. Don't buy anything, don't sell anything, don't trade any crypto. Just open community for developers. We build open source projects and the tools. You can just go to GitHub and check the tutorial.md, and there is a tutorial how to build real stuff. You can check the DevCom, and there is a tutorial, bunch of tutorials. Building chat with PDF vector database. What else? Integrating different tools, collect authentication, deploying to Vercel, Firebase, and etc. I'm pretty sure there's someone from our leadership team did this shit specific for leadership team. Only specific members with the role leadership team had access to this channel, and then I saw the post on this channel. You know what I'm saying? One tweet, just with one tweet, it reached 4 million US dollars. Just my one tweet. We just created a token, and then boom, fuck, 4 million US dollars market cap. Shit. Don't buy anything, don't sell anything, you don't trade in crypto. Just open community for developers. We build stuff, we write tutorials. That's it. Opencommunity.co, and there are tutorials, there are projects. Just open community, bro. Don't trust anyone. Just build stuff. Again, it's not a New Year joke. It's just a community for developers. We'll build stuff and we write tutorials. That's all about this. This is my only and real account on LinkedIn. Only and real account on Twitter. Don't trust anyone.